Welcome to another Stratco How-To. Today we're looking at a heavy-duty 4-shelf unit with wire shelves, powder-coated in black, has a distributed weight of 320 kilos, so a great unit. We'll show you how easy it goes together. Now we've opened the box, spread everything out. We've got our bill of materials here, or I suppose our list of items. We've checked it all off. Everything looks like it's there. It's a good time now too to check that it's in good condition and that you're happy with it. Because we're handling metal products, it's important that we have gloves and glasses, and this is quite a big unit, so a second pair of hands is ideal. There's some parts which are inside the others, which you just need to pull out. These are some of the side supports, remove all of the excess packaging, and then you should be ready to go. All right, we're ready to start putting this together. First up, if you wouldn't mind helping me, this is the bottom. Stand that one up and just face it towards me, and I'll get those beams on there. And get the other side, stand that up, move it over, get it close, and then we just slot these in, like that. Now that that bottom rail is in, the frame is steady and we can go from here. From here we keep going. Hopefully you've predetermined the height you need. Here we're going to go full height. So we slot it in at one end, slot it in at the other end. Just check that it's in there nice and firmly. When you're at this stage, it's ideal to start thinking about your heights. So we've got these plastic tubs which we know we're going to be using. So we'll put that on there, make sure that our next shelf is going to be at the right height for there. So grab a pencil, mark the line. So these are the shelf supports which go in to support. There's 3 per shelf. You make sure the bolt comes in from the bottom, then you have a nut and a washer which goes on top. The reason the nut and the bolt goes in this way is so that it doesn't scratch you when you're accessing or using the shelf. So you make sure that gets done up tight, and you have 3 per shelf which need to get done. So the wire shelves simply go in like this. You lock them into the recessed shelving. Nice and steady, can't go anywhere. Just repeat that for all 4 shelves. The great feature of this unit is these locking pins, which simply insert in and hold the unit, the shelf nice and tight. These have to go into every corner to make sure the unit does not move. So here we are, the completed unit. Great heavy duty rack for storage in your shed, garage, wherever you think you might need it. It has a 320 kilogram distributed weight limit, 4 shelves, wire mesh, can be used in high humidity environments. Powder coated finish, as you saw, adjustable height, suit any sort of storage needs that you have.